Hello there. In this module, we cover the fundamentals of Warrior Special Offers, WSO. WSO comes under the Warrior Forum, a forum specifically designed for Internet marketers. Freelancer recently bought the Warrior Forum, where the forum now includes a great community of online freelancers. WSO enables you to create your offer and showcase it to the subscribed members in the forum. Over 1 million people are registered under this forum, where all of them have a common interest in Internet marketing. This forum caters towards two different audiences. One, people who create their own products in the Internet marketing niche, Internet marketers, and two, people who are interested in purchasing Internet marketing products. The Warrior Forum is a platform which allows Internet marketers to promote their latest offers. They provide spaces for marketers to place their banner ads in the forum. However, in order to advertise your banner, you would need to have access to the War Room, which is a sub-forum under the Warrior Forum. You'll be charged $37 for a lifetime membership. Apart from that, the Warrior Forum caters towards the email marketing business. This is one of the main strategies to generate your leads. You are able to promote your offer to people on the forum's mailing list for a fee. The forum generates their mailing list from the registered members of the forum. Let's say you ordered a product through the Warrior Forum. You're automatically on the mailing list, where they will mail you the offers every single day. We'll be discussing the basics in creating your WSO in the next chapter. Stay tuned. Hi there. In this module, we'll discuss the steps on how to create your own WSO in the Warrior Forum. The first step to kickstart your offer is by signing up as a member of the Warrior Forum and creating your own account. When you've created your account and logged in, navigate to Create a WSO page by clicking on the Create Offer WSO in the top menu. The cost of creating an offer is a fixed price of $20. When you click on Create Offer, you're left with two steps to start your offer under Warrior Payments. The first step leads you to configure most of your product details, which includes the title of your offer, uploading your product or specifying your URL, selecting your product category, setting up a subscription payment if needed, your product price, giving access to affiliates to promote your product, connecting to PayPal, setting up dime sale or time sale, connecting to your autoresponder, allowing your offer to be featured as a Warrior daily deal where you also have to choose a commission rate. The second step is to create your product's offer by creating your own sales copy. This page will be loaded once you've completed the first step by clicking Save and Continue. When you've clicked Save and Continue, your offer is published directly to the Warrior Forum and it creates your thread. On your thread, other users of the forum are able to comment and ask questions regarding your product where you can reply to their queries. How do you create your own eye-catching special offer that the audience would be attracted to? If you're not familiar in generating an effective sales offer, you can always hire a freelancer to save you time. There are a number of freelancers signed up to the Warrior Forum, and all you have to do is ask. One of the special offers that is a crowd pleaser is infographics. To post offers and receive your payments for your products, connect to PayPal. The Warrior Forum works in a way where they want to get their Warrior payments up and running. If you're able to create an effective WSO using Warrior Payment, the Warrior Forum will do all the work to drive the traffic to you. To do this, get your offer listed under the daily deals. Hi there, we reached the final chapter of the Warrior Special Offer series. In this final module, you'll learn 5 tips to ensure your WSO success. The first tip is to bump your special offer thread as often as you can. When members visit the WSO marketplace, your thread title is the first thing that they'll view. Bumping your thread means that your offer title will be placed on the first page of the WSO marketplace. Usually, when new offers come in, your offer will be pushed further behind if you choose not to bump it. The cost for bumping your offer is usually $19.95. The second tip to ensure you optimize your WSO is by subscribing to the WSO thread. This is done once your WSO thread is made live. When you subscribe to the thread, you're able to reply to your client's query promptly. This creates a better chance in securing clients as they know you are serious of the offer. Thirdly, get more views of your offer through banner advertising. Banner advertising is one of the best strategies to reach all Warrior Forum members, not just restricted to the WSO community. The majority of the Warriors Forum members are interested in internet marketing, online entrepreneurship, and business in general. Therefore, banner ads are capable of driving highly engaged traffic to your product or landing page if your product matches their interest. There are two main spots to advertise your banner ad: the top banner ad and the bottom banner ad. Most advertisers will choose the top banner ad. That's because it is above the fold and it can be seen by almost all visitors to the Warrior Forum. The banners on the Warrior Forum are charged based on CPM, which is cost per impression. The top banner will cost you $5.99 per 1,000 impressions, and the bottom banner will cost you $1.49 per 1,000 impressions. The fourth tip is to incorporate videos in your sales letters to increase the conversion rates and sales of your offer. People are more attracted to an interactive sales offer as compared to the traditional one. The most strategic way in implementing this is by placing the video above the fold as an introduction to your offer. Last but not least is to incorporate testimonials as proof that your product is worth the purchase. However, there is such a thing as too many testimonials in a sales letter. When you put too many testimonials on your page, the effect will be diminished. Put a maximum of 3 and provide a link if you have more, so it is seen only by those interested. Always ensure you create your WSO strategically to maximize your return on investment and minimizing loss. Find ways that work for you to drive traffic to your offer.